Hey Alicia, it's Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. You wanted me to take a look at your Facebook page. So, taking a look, it is a good looking site. I would resize this, and the easiest way to do that is through Canva. And they do have a free version of Canva. Also, everything looks good. Definitely, I'd be posting more often. I don't know why my computer just glitched. But your pictures all look good. Your posts are really good. There's not much more I could really say on your Facebook page. One thing I did notice and that I highly recommend is all your reviews. Make sure you're responding to them. Just kind of comment on them. That definitely helps too. And then as far as websites and everything, so I just kind of typed into Google just cleaning services in Roseburg. And this is what we call the map pack or the map section. This is ultimately where you want to aim to be. And that's because 30 to 40% of people calling you directly or visiting your website directly will come from this area. And this is just where you set up a Google business profile. So some things in a Google business profile that I highly recommend is you have an about section, which they don't have one, but you have an about section that it allows for 750 characters. You want to make sure that is completely filled out and optimized with keywords. Also, getting reviews on Google, make sure you're responding to them. And then there's citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address is posted just like it is on your Google business profile. And those are posted in directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There's thousands of them out there. So Google is a huge popularity contest. So you want to go out and give your information to as many people as possible. And the idea is once Google starts seeing you more than these competitors, the more they start ranking you up above them. And so just looking at your competitors, they really don't have any extravagant sites or anything. Here's one here. So you could even do a basic one that you get with your Google business profile. And the only thing with those ones is you can't optimize them a whole lot, but there is quite a bit of optimizations that you can do with them. And so like with this one, this gives us an analytic view of their website. So they have 19 backlinks, which a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. And these links act like an endorsement for your site from others. But some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you want to go after backlinks that are more authoritative. So you'll want to add some backlinks to your site. And then as far as keywords, it's about doing some research. Looks like 20 people are searching them a month. Their particular business. So I hope this was beneficial and just kind of helps you there. So yeah, I would definitely do a Google business profile and just utilize their website for now that they give you. And then just fix this picture up here. But other than that, and responding to these reviews, other than that, I think your Facebook looks great. Keep posting, keep inviting people to like your page, and you'll keep growing. I hope this was helpful, Alicia. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.